guys, so today I'm gonna put this bad boy. I'm gonna be putting on this HKS exhaust. Really liked how this one sounded, so this is what I went with. My exhaust broke off, so I took it as a sign to just upgrade. So I already don't have an exhaust on the car right now, so it shouldn't take too long. So overall, I really do like this exhaust. I feel like at first I expected it to be a little louder just because maybe I'm used to like the Honda riciness, but it's really good. I like how it makes it like the tone is a lot deeper. It has like a little rest to it, but overall it's super good. I love it. It brings out a lot from the car, and I don't know, I just really like how it sounds. I think my car really needed this. It was definitely a sign. I do notice like this metal hitting right here in this area, but I'm gonna try to figure that out. I mean, it's not a big problem, but I do hear it. I don't know, maybe I'm just a little picky, but I really do like this exhaust. I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.